Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to add Disney Plus to your Samsung TV so you can stream all your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content directly on your TV. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and make sure it's connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A strong internet connection is essential for smooth streaming. Step 2. Press the Home button on your Samsung TV remote to open the Smart Hub or main menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Apps section. This is where you can browse and download all available apps for your Samsung TV. Step 4. Use the search function and type Disney Plus using the on-screen keyboard. Step 5. Select the official Disney Plus app from the search results to ensure you're downloading the correct app. Step 6. Click on Install or Add to Home to download Disney Plus to your Samsung TV. The installation may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once installed, return to your TV home screen. You will see the Disney Plus icon in your list of apps. Step 8. Open the Disney Plus app by selecting it. You'll need to sign in with your Disney Plus account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up directly in the app by following the on-screen instructions. Step 9. For easier access in the future, move the Disney Plus app to a convenient location on your home screen by highlighting it, pressing the Options button, and selecting Move. That's it. Disney Plus is now installed on your Samsung TV, and you're ready to enjoy hours of entertainment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if it helped you.